Na Banesana Utina Homa Fifi make this comment Barcelona and yet powerhouse for Champions League movie because the last time we won it was 2015 and you allowed it to go.
Any be a man be uncle.
Oh, there be
I thought it be
now I don't know how only in our kind of kind.
Sir.
With that same logic, will you say then Brazil and world beat Abim when it comes to FIFA World Cup? Because the last time they won it was in 2002.
And I'm grounds on more Champions League at home.
When I heard that, me am shame kakra, but I knew now because you were in with him on that issue, and now I am kakra. I am because you can't, and now you go World Cup. You can't say Brazil in your powerhouse because of Mujibi. No. You can say that. Now, Rich, who say a Champions League in Koma? You were omudin komono based on the merits of the AC.
Okay, if you did your kind as a name, or say imprim.
There's nothing like imprim. What is imprim?
Imprim,
so
so
the same logic in say yeah, Copa World Cup. It's imprim Brazil and your powerhouse World Cup because Omuji biache. Is that what say nay so open say yeah World Cup build up yeah powerhouses in the World Cup. Also Brazil GB 2020 they are not powerhouse anymore. Because we also supported some more football so since 2002 we say Brazil had the World Cup that. Okay. But it doesn't take away say they are the creme de la creme when it comes to world football. We are seeing you don't just push it aside like that. Rich. Eba ewiase omo analyze footballer. There are those who believe in merit of any Champions League bono. Why na owo team papa? Why na owo form? Why na ni team no boye? Why na owo coach papa? And they say based on sa nioma nintino, omo no mo beshe, omo no mo beji. There was a class of people no ewo. Any ewo omo nso a, they are always doing analysis that is trendy. And to be say, see a Champions League in Mkwa dia, na say Real Madrid woma they are favorite simply because na some yan say Real Madrid in competition in the ball. Omo no mo taiji. Omo no your teams be omo cathedrals in the competition. Omo na duro mo so a oyi uchu mo tan omo no mo beji. There are people who believe in that kind of analysis too. Now Rich, with those two category of people no, Bebrena Gidi say offer the history of the Champions League. In Pempi, no, say yenya obia oje the Champions League for the first time. Ayana a check and san obi so sabe for the first time. And based on that analysis alone, and if I see Champions League, you know, see yenya debutant win a biana, ayana subsequent years, you know, the cathedrals come back and win it. Now, Rich. For almost belonging to Sa school of thought, no. Metimiaka say, Enra, the game na course our the Alliance Arena no. Per their analysis, na the final before the final. Because now over 4 teams now can Champions League anymore. Based on team awaje do pa, any the award the category of cathedrals no will be Bayern straight. Paris Saint-Germain are winning one. Atletico winning here. Arsenal winning here. And for those people who believe in the myths and do the trendy analysis about how a Champions League, you know, they are ni Subayin City, you know, they will say Enra, born a Alliance Arena, no. The final before the final because not any of the Obeyin Yonko film are ordinary bebano. Becomes then the only cathedral left in the competition. And after Paris Saint-Germain, we know first one, no, then if it is going back to the cathedrals there, then Bayern are going to win. Now, Rich, interestingly, say Ujisa analysis in India, for even Bayern to make it to the final, then they have to beat the defending champions to stand any chance of so be winning. Now, the other side, I almost say, oh, there be season bia any champion they produce, and it is based purely on their own form, their own players, papa, their own coach, papa, their own year year pack. So no, forget about pedigree, forget about cathedral, forget about them and them. Unimba obeshe. Rich, for those people, then this season Champions League, they will tip Paris Saint-Germain Arsenal final. In paper, I can say Arsenal still remains the only unbeaten team in the Champions League. Team Bia Momun tested defeats yet in the Champions League. And the kind of journey at Paris Saint-Germain, and they all say they've picked at the right time. Bono mo boni and mesmerizing. Look at the way they brush aside Liverpool home and away.
Funny.
They already have the confidence because I'm defending champions. So we players or more, they even have the Ballon d'Or winner in their team. And it is as if say the same team that won the last season Champions League, the same team now, same cohesion, same understanding, same familiarity. Back and so in terms of say we are building partnership. Pacho, Marquinhos 4 and 5, Hakimi, Mendes 2 and 3. Who confuse you? Vitinha, Jao never saw Fabian Russo, Zaire Emery, Oko anymore, Doué, Vicha, Dembele, Bakola. They are the same people. So, it has given them results recently, and from what they are doing. And they seem to be getting the results. Their confidence keep building. And Unim Obakaya in the first leg at the Santiago Bernabeu, me cansim bichio say Oshe Bayern and Real Madrid born on Baba Bona. Adi prefer so clear. And they say 2 teams in a certain weakness. Say they are not so solid defensively. And Omumi enemy. Say, omu opponent, I was our problem, no. Now, the air over the 2 games. Aye, omu why ne bet me? I exploited Saudi any year. That is why, at the end of the day, it came to who scored more.
We should know it.
Bayern. They know they don't have any destroyer in midfield. Aye, Kimmich and Pavlovic. Sanya Kimmich and Pavlovic, Kimmich and Leon Goretzka. They don't have a destroyer in midfield. Some say, you will DMA. Only the tackles. They don't have one. And they don't care. What they believe in, and they say, with Kimmich, Pavlovic, or Kimmich, Goretzka, they have very, very good transitional midfielders. They can build up and give them the balance as and when I pay, because for them, the best way to defend is to attack. Attack you. Without the ball, everybody just have to be disciplined. And we want 2 very, very good expansive forwards in Diaz and Olise. And they have one of the best strikers in Europe this year in Hurricane. The Obebo striker, whether Serge Gnabry, whether Musiala, they know he's a very, very good number 10. And no matter to team no more. Omunimpa, say Opamecano, Anita. Say they are not so solid. Giddy. No. But they must not be solid. Giddy. Answer no bono. You must be very, very good ball playing center back. And you know the rudiment of defending. You are good to go. One of my biggest problems, can I say, this season, Rich, they don't even have conventional lateral defenders. So Alphonso Davies free. And Alphonso Davies in Pono, English in Ontimi Mbabono. But they don't care. The only man say, "Ometi me show team no." Say stand say show say Conrad Lema, Omudu 2 and 3, where they can give them what they want from lateral positions, they will play. It is the same with Real Madrid. Rich, many sure say obi ever so that I can say or the Chiomani ever compare players like Makelele or even Casemiro. No, you will not do that. He unbend in any way. But he is Real Madrid's number 6. In the event, no, I suspended no crowd here. Rich, Real Madrid decided to play Federico Valverde as our number 6. Obian himself, Federico Valverde, he is an attacking player. But say, I want to see a team in a way where we can transit quickly. And I want to see a scary about your transitions. With Vinicius, with Mbappe, with Brahim Diaz, with Jude Bellingham, we can score you goals and you show goals, Penna. We are winning the game. And the Enra, and 2 teams are say they are not so solid defensively, and they gave us the Bonibaka say a blockbuster game. And anyway, end to end. Rich, I know many game no I really enjoyed the game. Now, madam, I don't see your game no.
The red card incident.
Exactly. Yeah. Because Obiase and Nona it determined the results of the game, which you agree to a certain extent. Because as at the time when I came to Park, you could clearly see what Real Madrid were doing. Oma changing from 4-3-3 on ball in first half, about 4-4-2. Abranti Feno, Federico Valverde was starting as a number 6 in the second half, was playing as a number 7. Into Obo Valverde right, Obo Ada Gule left, and then Fifio Obo Jude Bellingham and Ode Camavinga Abba. And when you Brahim Diaz into when you 4 midfielders, 2 central, 2 wingers, or wingers, but they must play there and come in as and when and we're getting 2 players no anymore, Mbappe and Vinicius. And Rich, it was working for them. Even though Bayern were dominating, but the truth of the matter is they were finding it difficult to penetrate Real Madrid. And Real Madrid no more penetrate. They knew that Bayern will try. Game new growing in Ano, Bayern will take more risk. The more Bayern will take the risk, so when you one ball, no we intercept it, they only hear a long pass. Bayern Chilewa. They don't stand a chance when it comes to race against any of Vinicius or Mbappe. The money say that was Real Madrid at that time. Now, Rich, you see, sometimes we go after referees.
Okay.
Probably because we love footballers more. But they come having here, Rich, so Odi said the strict interpretation of Emremua. Who delay a restarter, referee bet mama yellow. It's clear in the IFAB laws. Say who delay restart? Say yeah, Bobo Bibinti the born egina. I was see a restarting game, no. Say a won't restarting a delay. Referee no any opportunity
to at the point come Kamavinga Bobo. Oboye no sa fight.
A chebo. For my also for
referee for ball now. Brendan that's good.
Was it time on no pet and obey release the ball. And you do that when you know you have a yellow card. Devastating. Yes, Omomo belonging to the school of thought of say, oh, high stake games. Be saying, sometimes as a referee, you need to manage it because the emotions that are involved in it, I know. I also young to say, and that is the reason why Pavlovich Ebabeka said, oh, super say, referee had forgotten. Say no Kamavinga yellow card. But Rich, must it be that statement or it should go after Kamavinga say, knowing you have a yellow card, you shouldn't have done that. It shouldn't be we going after the referee. Say the referee say Kamavinga yellow card. Name we should go after Kamavinga say, knowing you have a yellow card already. You don't do Sali now,
and I don't hear goals.
That is the gospel truth.
I mean, unnecessary yellow card now.
And the moment OD record ni free, Rich, that 4-4-2 Nana Real Madrid ball, you clearly see there was a hole. And if your goals are Bayern share, time Pavlovich etia was it Pavlovich Musiala etia ball also Emma Luis Diaz no
space na that
exactly when he was cutting in that space now when it was a Camavinga space or on obe closing it down Camavinga he gets the shot pa wabobo onase. Now Real Madrid anything to protect than to go chase the game and see whether they will get a goal, another counter attack, and you will trust Olise. He had tried that over and over again, and the last one he was lucky. Real Madrid are out. Minyin ni say Florentino Perez, because this is 2 seasons in a row in the last 13 years. Real Madrid are trophyless. It been time to almost until for them to go. It means that there's a problem. But Rich, main fine, she said, Florentino Perez probably have not planned well life after the superstars. No? Because when he bought Chiomani, when he bought Eda Militao, when he bought Camavinga, when he brought in Dani Ceballos, when he brought in Ada Goulet, and it is the peak level of young players, be say Vinicius or the Mbappe about Onyini Bebre or Jude Bellingham or Onyini Bebre. No, Rich yet here I can say, look, Florentino Perez is a very, very good president because say Toni Kroos, Simone, Modric, Efedi, he needs to build a different team that is full of young guys, and he is doing that. Look, there can be sometimes in football, Rich, you may get it right with the project. But a no man it doesn't, and yes, a change because you took the wrong decisions. Because Real Madrid were full of very, very young players. Rich, they just have to step up. Now, Omatimi Abobono, and unfortunately, and Oma Nkoye Amomo. Out of the 4, how many tips on Moko final?
Oh, some of them are say
Arsenal won.
Me who win and no one giving him. Bayern and then Real Madrid.
Okay, so for you,
maybe they use a Bayern back of final.
Once away Real Madrid, no.
Yeah, Obaje PSG and then proceed to the final. Then team be on the beat that team and win.
I think, say, in recent times, Rich. Yes, we've gotten those 2 situations. Those who believe the big boys will win, and those who believe the good teams will win. And see, Amasisiano. Where you must place the argument because Real Madrid now saying Champions League it wasn't as if they were the best teams, but not only a team or pedigree or they use that to go on now say where City, where Paris Saint-Germain, they are also not cathedrals, but their teams are building a project. I am many form of DJT. You were a situation where in the last few years you're tuning in now winning the Champions League. And baby I had the marriage. I still feel in my conviction say omo team papa no omo ball papa no omo Champions League, and not just because you belong to the cathedral category. Obi follow me socials, maybe I can get the codes for you.
Okay.
My socials, no follow me. You get it on Facebook, on X. Maybe I could be there for Europa League and the Conference League. And I think last week Thursday we won. Nti na obetimi akɔno akɔsa sakos na ɔde ayɛ.
Okay, yɛnto so insurance 4.5 if you